Hello guys, welcome to Power Tool Authorized Service Center channel. So if you see, I'm holding a dust buster. This is a Black & Decker dust buster. Okay, Black & Decker but dust buster, and the model is NBB115J. So those who are using this model, this video might be helpful you guys to troubleshoot or fix if there is any related repair for this model. So guys, if you see here, the reported issue for this model is the model cannot be turned on. So this is the button. So this model, this dust buster cannot be turned on. So let's check it out. What is the problem with this? Parts is already assembled, so let's test how does it work. Working well. So for now, the dust buster can be used back as normal. So thank you guys. Keep following our channel, like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys.